Today's a big one. Today we're going to unbox the new Bose Max that I just purchased myself from Bose for the price of $400. Very expensive. So we'll see if it lives up to the cost. Let's do a first impression of the speaker itself, a little bit of sound, and then on a couple more videos we'll come back and compare it to some other speakers. But let's open her up first and check out the box. I do like the colors. Noise. I like how everything is very well organized in this packaging here. Alright, let's go. Verbiage, USB-C, USB-C, nice cable, and a charging brick. Foldable, packable, travelable. Let's put the box away, even though it's a very pretty box. Let's take off the Band-Aid. Got some weight to it. Definitely has weight to it. On the back, USB-C. Have an aux, which is unusual today to have that anymore, so that's nice. Again, these handles do come off. Yeah, nice rubber feel. So let's compare a little bit for a second. Just to show you the size, it is smaller than the Soundcore Boom 2. Definitely a lot heavier. A lot heavier than the Soundcore Boom 2. So we will compare these two later on, and we'll probably compare the Bose Flex and the Marshall Emerton. So a lot smaller portable speaker you would take with you in your bag. It's just showing you the difference in size. All right, let me charge it up, get the app going, and we'll come back. All right, this is the app. I'll put up on the screen here now. But it goes through your volume, your source, your EQ. You can adjust the EQ in 3 different settings. Then there's a shortcut button on here that you can set up a shortcut. And from what I see so far, it looks right now, all it has is a shortcut for your aux and Spotify. And I'm sure they'll come out with more later on. Tips, and that's about it. Just your basic information to get started. You can play songs through here, but most of us are probably going to be using whatever type of sound app that we have. Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, all that kind of stuff through their phone to play the speaker. All right, I'll be utilizing Epidemic Sound. If you're interested in Epidemic Sound for your own music abilities, check out the links below. I would love you to sign up under my code. I'm going to use stereo microphones here. I'm going to play some songs and I'll come back and give you my thoughts. I'm not going to compare it on this video. I'm going to do comparisons on other videos, so you need to like and subscribe and stick around for that coming shortly. A little classical.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Alright, this last song is going to be heavy bass to show you the bass that it can produce.
Back on deck. Back on deck. Back on deck. Back on deck. Back on deck.
Alright, so sorry, I had to give you a little tease there just to show you what's coming after this and the comparisons that we'll do. Alright, I want to go ahead and give you my opinion about this speaker, first impressions kind of thing.
First off, build quality. You know you have a nice product in your hand when you pick this thing up. It is solid feeling, feels expensive because it is expensive, but yeah, you're satisfied when you pick it up. Nice, good weight to it. Everything's put well together. Of course, it's Bose, no cheap parts or anything like that, so good to go there. Sound quality. How would I describe the speaker? It is complex. At lower volumes, put you in like a surround feel sort of feel. It's not just a direct kind of shot speaker where it's throwing the sound at you, giving you some bass and treble on the sides. It has an immersive feeling to it, more than other speakers that I've heard. Clarity of the speaker is outstanding. It does give it an immersive experience, I guess you could say. All right, that's my first initial out of the gate thoughts. You always have great impressions when you first hear something new because you want to like it, but I want to make sure as we play more different songs, different comparisons, that all that $400 that you're paying for this thing is totally worth it. So we'll find out. That is to be determined, but stick around, like, subscribe for the channel for more reviews on the Bose Max. All right, that's it for this one. You guys have a great day.